Okay, we're over here in the side parking lot up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. You can check us out, maplemotors.com. I got all my inventory located on there, as well as financing and shipping information. This is a 1957 Bel Air. It's got a 4-speed transmission, a 350 under the hood with power steering and front disc brakes. What I like to do in these videos is walk around and point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures on that website and more information below in the description, so check that out. And hit subscribe if you want to see daily videos just like this. We're going to get started here. I'm going to run down the lower portions of the car, come back to midsection and hit the top. We're going to check the interior, the trunk, and the undercarriage. As you can see, all the chrome on this one's been replaced. It's very nice and clean. The grille is in great shape. Headlight bezels look awesome. Coming down the lower portion of this one, see the tires are in good shape. Do have some bubbles up in the corner of the door here. You see those? And down the lower section, the door is hanging a little bit on the bottom. A little bit of body work's been done right here in the corner. Coming down the midsection, we're going to check all this trim out. It's looking really good. Door handles are a bit older. See a little bit of age popping up on them. The mirrors have been replaced. They're nice and new looking. See around the front windshield, it's in good shape, and all the trim is nice and clean. A couple dents in the trim back here. This car looks sweet. The roof is in awesome shape. Rear bumper's also been replaced. Dual exhaust out the back. You can see the seal in the trunk is in good shape. I lifted the trunk up. You see how it's got water in here? It just started pouring back here as soon as I lifted it up. On the mat. Let's look up under it anyways. It's got some moisture up under it too. I don't know if that just came in from where I lifted it or not. But it's nice and solid. Just throw that out for now. It seems nice and solid. Our package tray is in great shape. Very clean. Good deal. I guess we got to put our mat back in. I done threw it out in the parking lot. Okay. Missing insulation on the trunk lid, but that's not a big deal. You can always get new insulation. A little squeaky. Locks down good. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to run the lower portion, midsection, top, and we're going to get her started up. Oh, I love the way that looks in the back there. That's pretty sweet. All right, coming down this lower section. It's very straight looking. A little water. More water. There's a bubble right here. Popping up. A little rust trying to come through there. All right, now we're gonna go back to midsection. So clean. Coming around the top section here. Trunk is sitting a little bit high. It's not too bad, mainly just back here. It's got some dirt there. Roof's in great shape. All right, let's go ahead and jump on the interior and check it out. As soon as we open the door, love the color combo. Door panel's in great shape. Weather stripping looks good. Underside of the door is solid. Carpet has been replaced. It looks awesome. Seats in good shape. Back seats in great shape. Package tray looks good. A little bit wrinkly on the headliner. Call that a mechanic's headliner. Go ahead, place your bet. You think the horn works on this one? We're gonna be trying that out. Go ahead, get her started. Starts up nice and easy. The gas gauge does not work. I went and put gas in it, and it came up a hair and then just stopped right there on E still after $20. Temperature gauge is up to 180. Oil pressure's right below 50. The radio, can't get it to cut on. I think it's just gonna need a new radio, honestly. The blower motor does work. No AC. The blower motor does work. Our windshield wipers, they work. But there's only one right now, one arm on there. You see this one turning? It turns, but man, you gotta play that game. You can stop it anywhere you want. Get it right there below the windshield. All right, you ready for this horn? Did you place your bets? There's no spring, so no horn. Very good sound to it. Motor's nice and quiet. Coming down with the hood here, you're gonna have to shake it. That way you don't bend it. As long as you shake it, you won't bend it. You definitely don't want to do that. It's coming down easy after that. Well, I say that. Let's try it again. There we go. Got a little bit of pitting right here on both of these. All right, we're gonna give you some undercarriage shots. Check out maplemotors.com. Look at the detailed pictures. I do have undercarriage photos on there. We're gonna start in the front, go all the way around the car, and get back on the test drive. The test drive also offers undercarriage shots. Let's look under. Join us at maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information. Those 100 detailed pictures and all of our inventory is updated on that website every Monday. We get new cars in, save them throughout the week, and post them all on every single Monday. We post all of the new cars. So go there, check that out. That's your best chance to get dibs on the new inventory. You can also hit subscribe on this channel here. I post videos almost every day. And there's close to 2,000 videos on here, so plenty of content to check out. I want to thank y'all for sharing my videos, and I want to thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and get back on this test drive and continue her out. All right, guys. See y'all later.